He's great.
My camera is, I have only 2% left. I took a photo of that. Watching that stuff, not something.
Man, this really sucks. Oh!
Wait, is it an iPhone?
It's like all
No, this is not a knife
Why
on
is
this
there a bug
iPhone.
on my hand?
He's not afraid.
Perfect.
Almost dropped the camera.
No, don't drop the camera.
Perfect, right, Sam? Oh my god.
Whoa.
I have to like break it. Oh god. My arm.
You talk to me.
I keep missing your bullshit.
Why is my iPod so bad?
You have the best camera.
No.
Oh, it's recording.
Yeah. I thought it's off the
Usually
camera.
his Instagram filters is better.
Oh, Black Code!
I don't have that.
Woo!
I won't drop it, of course.
No, this is super awful. My iPod has low battery.
Is my camera supposed to be like that? Like all blurry? This is supposed to be an iPod. I'm just gonna stop taking pictures.
And you have to like.
I'm not taking pictures. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Yes.
Harper!
I know, I look so bad, I know.
Yeah, look, it's better.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Ryan said he's going to go up and find her.
Boomba.
Yeah, maybe that's why.
Come on. Oh, there we go.
Alright.
I know, right? Oh my god. Leaning on the window. It's like, oh.
Man, mine is like the worst recording.
I can't take out the ashes. I'm gonna
It looks like Patrick.
like it's so bad. I can't. I save like every picture that I find.
Oh, god dang it. Ooh. Ooh. My arm hurts so much from holding us.
That wasn't a Minecraft. No. Did they leave New York? Yeah. They're in Canada. We had a concert in Canada before, and then they're having
Excuse me, sir.
You're a sir, apparently.
I know. I finally got my dreams. I'm a sir.
I'll wait until the end.
Boom.
Yeah, the end of the bus.
That was so cool.
We'll probably have like 3 seconds. The noise is so weird.
Looks like shooting stars are coming.
The end already. The grand finale's loud.
You got the finale. You're a wild man. You're doing a good job.
Why are they so loud? I mean, like, come on. Oh, that scared me, actually.
Remember the time they were attempting to make like a firework in the city?
I think this is like one of the worst recording stuff I'm gonna put like on YouTube, actually.
Seriously, good. I don't think anyone's gonna want to watch
Oh, shut up. It's worth it. At least I'm recording it. And I actually have a YouTube channel. Oh, God. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, dang it. Freaking people are in front of me.
Oh my god, it looks so terrifying. I don't like stuff involved.
It looks like the ship is on fire. Who cares? Burn, ship, burn. That's what I need.
Good fireworks show.
They're doing it good.
Yeah, they are.
No, this is awful when you're recording.
I'm recording the really. Like, I want to go there.
Can you send me photos?
Yeah, I'm not taking really good ones though. Jeez. What phone do you have? He said almost a zero.
Oh!
Whatever went in there. You're happy with the matter.
Oh my god, if this thing like turns on low battery and it doesn't save everything, I'm gonna get so mad. I don't know, I feel like it. No, I'm not gonna stop the video. It's worth it. It's worth it. If you had a YouTube channel, nobody would watch yours. They'd be like, oh my god, the nerd watching it. Boom. But still, I'm gonna get so mad if it stopped recording right now. Whatever.
Wait, are you having? I really want boys. Have boys like 20.
Boom.
They're so small. Yeah, I want boys. I'm gonna have boys now because I want you to say boys. They're so sweet. I want boys five. I don't want boys five this year. I don't want to be
So white.
I do want like boys five. If we were to go on the same bus and I checked out something wrong, I would be yelling. Because you know you. We wait so long for
Can you
like
hear
a
that?
10-minute show.
People think.
About 20.
You know who's on my bus?
See you guys later.